Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's VECHAIN update for Thursday 17th of March. And what's going on with VECHAIN actually is that you've already run into a level of resistance right now. You've already run at the top resistance of the falling wedge. So in my opinion, you do have a little bit of room to actually go to the downside here, which is going to be 0.04018, potentially bounce off this place and actually go for the 50% rise to the upside. Now one thing is very clear is that you're in a falling wedge in my opinion, and from here you're making a double bottom. Do you see that? This was your first bottom, second bottom, and you potentially might just come a little bit down here and not all the way down to this place. It could just come down to 44 because Bitcoin is not looking so good right now, right? And weekend is approaching. So let's say weekend does approach. Now there's one more thing. In order for me not to say it's gonna come down, you still need to break out of it. Okay, go to the 53 level, come down, back test the 46, and then from here you're good to go to the 68, and that would be a nice, good, lovely trade. But unless you're not breaking out, I've told you so many times before, you're always gonna have to wait for the breakout of a pattern. If it doesn't break out, you're not that's half of the truth. First of all, if it does go up, you don't buy. You still don't buy. Why? Because it can be a fake out. And you get my point here. So it's a matter of like patience. It's a matter of confirmation, of course. And once you come here, go to the upside, that's just the half of the story that has been met. You must come down, make the retest. You got 75%. Absolutely okay. And when it starts to move to the upside, then it's absolutely amazing because you're going to start to make the profit. So if your entry is good, if you actually time the entry perfectly, I think that's when you're going to earn money. If you don't actually care about your entries, if you're not doing scientific research or logical research on the charts for your entry, you're potentially going to lose your money and get really pissed off by yourself. And if you want to take the trading course, if you want to learn when to enter, reading all these chart patterns that I've been reading for a long time now, I already put a course recently now, and I'm working on this course. It's not a complete, but still there's like almost 13 hours of content out there. I'm gonna add up more contents, and look how many contents you're gonna learn from this course. So do check it out if you're a serious guy who wants to learn. If you're not serious, non-serious, potentially this is not for you. And the link is always in the description. This is the link of it, okay? So you can check it out. And anyway, I do see VECHAIN having a little bit of a retracement to the downside. Or who knows? We can actually not even have any retracement at all. But for that one, as I said before, wait for the breakout. It does break out, absolutely amazing. But it seems like on the weekly time frame, we might not actually come down to the 39 or the 40s. I don't think it's going to come down. Seems like this was the end of the downfall as well. So that's it for this VECHAIN update. I'm just going to keep an eye in the future, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.